In the name of Allah, hello everyone, my name is Àrەزوو. I'm one of the participants of the our Academy English Diploma online course. I wanted to share my experience of learning the English language. In the past, I participated in several different courses, but I couldn't speak English with other people and my friends, so sometimes I think I can't do it. After I participated in this program, I completely learned all the way to learn the English language. This program is a completely different program and it's so useful for me to learn English. Seriously, I found a real course, I found a real program with the real teachers, and at this time I'm in the 5th month of this program, and Alhamdulillah I can speak English and I know how to develop my language to make my language better. And I want to tell you the features of this program. Our teachers are very helpful and smart, and they are very calm and independent. They want to teach us every steps of learning English, and they try so hard for us.